Welcome, everyone. Be with you shortly. 4 more minutes till we're going to go live. Thank you for tuning in. Bomb cyclone time. Hey, everyone. Going live in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Who's here? I need a roll call. Who's here with me? Who's checking into the show today? Hey, everyone. 2 minutes. 2 minutes till showtime. Bomb cyclone. How could you not stay for that title? Come on. Here we go. 1 more minute, guys. Thank you for hanging in there. Was hoping for a couple more people to come join us live, but hey, it is what it is. We'll see. What's going on, everyone? Big countdown here. My new software, I'm loving it. I love this new software. It's a lot of fun. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. I just love that new software. Sorry. Want to try to be, it is cold. What's going on, everyone? How's it going? Who's with me today? Ooh, it's cold. My shirt was dark. It turned blue. It's so cold. So, it's not bad. 28 degrees today. I love that. It's the heat wave today, so 28 degrees. How's everyone doing? What's going on? I was fooling around with the title there. It was making me come in and out there. What's going on? Welcome, guys. I don't know if you saw, I did a little test last night. It's brand new software I got. It's pretty cool. I'm doing everything off the computer now instead of the phone. Just seems a lot better. I'll be investing in a couple items, and I have some of the items from my video production days. Doing different stuff. Hey, guys, welcome. What's going on? Could throw some people in here. Kind of cool. Welcome, everyone. Woohoo! Roll call. Hope everyone's good. Thanks for joining me today. So, bomb cyclone. We had that last week. I didn't really get to tune in much. Big weather coming from the south. That's what they call it. It's just a saying to get some clicks and get some attention. The weatherman needs to make up stuff, but I just like the name Bomb Cyclone. I think it's a good band name or something. So if you're a band and looking for a name, you should grab that name, Bomb Cyclone. It's too funny. So we survived last week. It was just a bad combination. It was very cold, and it was just under 20 degrees for a long time, and then that storm hit, and then it was dropped. I have a digital thermometer upstairs. I think I said last night. It was it counts the highest and the lowest temperature, and excuse me. I like to pick my nose. I noticed that on my video. Sorry about that. The lowest temperature ever was from this season so far was 5 degrees. So it hit that. I think it hit it Saturday night. So it was as low as 5 degrees outside by my house here. So very cold. So bragger. This is a new little feature you have. If you guys comment, I can throw it up on here. So very cool. I wish I was in South America again. You get to take the good, the bad, the rain, the cold, whatever. So what's going on, guys? Some of the comments are on here. I'm going to try to work with this new software. For some reason, I don't know if it's a software. I don't know if it's a software. I don't know if it's Facebook, but sometimes I see the comments on there, sometimes I don't. So some of the ones are on there. But yeah, how's everything going? How's this look? How's the sound? I think it looks pretty good for the the internal camera on my MacBook Pro. It's about 10-second delay, so I gotta ask the question, then wait. So, but I don't see anyone on here now with messaging. So, hey Jamie, hey Liz, what's up, Lisa? Good to see everyone. Hey Julie, what's going on? There we go. We got some people on here. Some reactions. 67 on Friday. I'm jealous. Good. All right, cool. Just making sure it looks good. Still in the little testing phase. I actually did buy it yesterday, so I was trying the demo out, but it was pretty cool. So thanks for that. Very cool. Yeah, thank you guys. Thanks. Getting there. I got the lighting. Got all that stuff, so checking it out. So what's going on, everyone? How was your weekend? The Golden Globes were yesterday. Here's a new little feature. I can show you my browser too. So, Golden Globes were last night. I just beautiful. 72 in the South. That's what I'm just looking to see your comments. And good to see you working hard, Julie. So thank you for tuning in. So, Texas. I know Tracy's from Texas. So 72 down in Texas. That's good. At least it's not snowing or cold. Yeah, it's my little guys in the background. Someone was mentioning my little guys. Yeah, if you're a guy, it's your collection. So I got some Disney Infinity figures. I got BB-8, R2-D2 back there. So thank you. So yeah, the Golden Globes were last night. I'm just a little over award shows. I don't really get to watch them much anymore. I just kind of have them on in the background. So. I was kind of watching. I don't know. I didn't know much about the movies this year. There wasn't much publicized, or I don't know. That was just standing out. I knew a couple of the different movies. My friend Chris Lee goes to the movies a lot. I've been following his page, and he's been talking to me about the different stuff he saw and what he likes. He's pretty dead on with what he thinks. He was off on a couple things, and he was disappointed in a couple things, but. I was saying, you can see my browser here. See some of the winners. Handmaid's Tale for TV. Frances McDormand won for Best Motion Picture. Gary Oldman. 3 Billboards Outside. That's a funky title. James Franco, a couple of winners here. I haven't really seen any of these movies, so usually between the Golden Globes and the Oscars, I try to get to see a couple of the top movies. It's just, when they go 10 movies, 8 movies, 9 movies, it's just impossible to go see a lot of the movies that are playing out there, especially with kids and stuff. That. So, but I was very happy Coco won for Best Animated Picture. That was awesome. Congratulations to them. And some cool actors and actresses here. So it was a pretty good show, all things considering, with talk shows and stuff. Award shows. Sorry about that. But yeah, bunch of great actors and actresses. So all good. So what'd you guys think? What'd you think of the Golden Globes? Do these people deserve to win? Is anyone snubbed? I think there's a lot of snubs. The Post, I heard, was a great movie. I don't know. Meryl Streep always seems to have the lock on winning Academy Awards and everything. So, hey everyone, what's going on? Good to see everyone. Some people are checking in. Some more weather stuff on there. Thank you for the weather updates and everything. What'd you think of the Golden Globes? Anyone watch last night? Anyone disappointed? Anyone get anyone haven't upset what they saw or didn't, I don't know, like I said, I didn't really get, the only movie I saw was Coco. So I don't know when the Oscars come out. I believe it's around my birthday, and I believe it's the first Sunday in March is the Oscars. So I think it's that last week in January they announced the Oscar nominees. And yeah. A lot of the stuff I do want to see, though. It looks pretty good. I'm excited. Yeah, Meryl. Surprised she did. I heard she was really good in this movie. But yeah, she's won a lot of awards, so you can't really feel sad for her. Sorry for her. Yeah, well, all right. Well, that's where, I'm not covering the Golden Globes too much. Thought Seth Meyers did a great job as the host. Do you think he, did a good job? Not great, good. Jokes were good. There's a lot of his Saturday Night Live people and a lot of his core there. So I think he did a good job with them. So still trying to figure out the software, so bear with me. There we go. Golden Globes, there we go. Too funny. I'm getting it. Sorry about that, guys. So, I don't know if you guys know, but this week is like the Super Bowl for me. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's CES 2018 in Las Vegas. I believe it starts. The previews are, the next few days. And, at this point, a lot of companies just dump all their good stuff early. They have their keynotes. And, it's this weekend. It's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday into the weekend. The Consumer Electronics Show. So they go first of the year, not first week of the year. They come out first, second week of the year in Vegas, and they preview the stuff that they're going to be announcing between now and Christmas. So they got to do it now. People order, they get it for Christmas and stuff like that, and for the holidays. I'm sorry, but they do it now though. Dave, good seeing you, buddy. How's it going? So I'm just, Dave, this might be of interest to you too. I got Dave loves electronics and gadgets and stuff like that. So Consumer Electronics Show. I was lucky enough to go to work there with Microsoft. It's been it's been many years ago. I don't remember the exact year. But I was lucky enough to finally, it was like my dream from as a kid, go to the Consumer Electronics Show. It was very cool to work. They get to look around and see and stuff. And, but yeah, it just, mainly it's just a lot of, computer. There's a separate show for video games, but there's some, video games, some systems and stuff like that. Cars, TVs, of course. And then there's Hassan, good seeing you, buddy. But there is a lot of stuff that, you hear about as investors, and it comes out, and there's a lot of stuff that comes out in CES that you never see the light of day of, which is kind of cool. There's some cool, wacky stuff and everything. So, I was looking at the internet. Let's see what's going on. See some comments there, guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Hope you don't mind me putting any comments into my show. I think it's a cool feature. But I was looking at the internet. LG has a 65-inch rollable OLED TV. So this is the kind of stuff that you see at CES. So I'll be covering, I think, I'll get online again towards the end of the week, show you some stuff what else was announced. This is kind of cool. It's portable. You you can have it in your house. It rolls up and down. It's the first rollable OLED TV. So it's stuff like that, cool stuff like that. There's another article I was reading on USA Today. They do a great job. This guy, he does a great job covering CES. So, but here's Alexa in the bathroom. So that's pretty cool. Alexa was everywhere last year. It was such a big hit. It was just in every single item. So, I think this year it looks like they're going towards more waterproof and more stuff. I'd love to see Alexa in the shower. I actually have in my bathroom, I have Alexa in my bedroom, and then I have speakers in the ceiling. So I can yell at Alexa, and it does go in my bathroom, which is kind of cool. But this is part of the shower head or something. It's kind of cool. Not cheap. $1,200 US. They got some cool handheld scanners. I guess you can scan cards and stuff like that. High resolution stuff. There's an e-bike. That looks pretty cool. Those are just some of the things he saw that were, standout stuff. And this helps you sleep. Dream mask, LED sleep mask. Some of the, it's kind of wacky stuff like this. That's why I love CES. So, yeah, 55-inch, OLED. Yeah, I just got a TV recently. Jack, how's it going? Yeah, Liz, I agree with you. Going back to the Golden Globes, I don't like the politics. I definitely don't. So you'll notice I don't really talk about it. So it's cool, Brenda. You got a new 55-inch TV. Their TVs are so cheap this season, so cheap, and that's what makes it kind of cool. That technology and the quality is amazing on a lot of TVs and everything, and the quality it gets better, and it's just cheaper. It's amazing. So. Here's another thing, Samsung to show off this one. They moved it. 4K is the big buzzword this year, but they're moving right to 8K. So bigger, better, faster. Better quality and everything. So this is ZDNet. They do a really good job too. But yeah, 8K TVs are kind of showing off. That I think that's a couple years off. 1 or 2 years off. And then, affordable, cheap prices, a little off too. So, they had, LG just has, you go there too, these LG and Samsung, their booths, it's huge. It's 3D's out. That was big for years. Now it's these, bigger, better size and everything. This was a massive 146 4K TV. That looks pretty amazing too. Yeah, Oprah did great on the Golden Globes. Absolutely, she did good. And Kurt Douglas was sad to see Kurt Douglas, his condition. Yeah, those are 2 good points about the Golden Globes. I just saw this morning Oprah. Her friends are saying she's going to run for president. So we'll see. That would be great. Hey Maria, good seeing you. Hey, June. Yeah, I posted an article on my Facebook page. Alexa, you can just turn on the shower. I even had it turn on the microwave. So Alexa's just taking over your house. It's amazing. I was playing around last night. Alexa, play Bon Jovi. And then everyone's Alexas were playing Bon Jovi. So it was kind of funny. So I think mine did too, but I have the speakers down. Sorry about that. That's kind of funny. So, but yeah, Alexa's cool. You know, I set my thermostat. I set my lights. There's Brenda Perot, a good point. Yeah, I think it's great for that. You know, a lot of times I have my hands full and I ask Alexa to turn lights on or off or whatever. So, it's really cool for someone, you know, like that, Brenda. It's very nice, very cool. Good point. Yeah. Sorry, Alice. Alexa, turn off. Well, mine still went off, so. I see the blue light turn over here.
Okay.
There we go. Oh, she turned off. So I'm going to do a whole Alexa show one of these days. So I'm going to do a show on the Apple TV too. Alexa and Apple TV are like two of my favorite things. So I'll be doing those soon too. So check into that. So hope you like the format of this with the program and me checking out the websites and everything. So yeah, 146-inch TV. I'm jealous. That just looks so awesome. So there's a lot of ads and stuff. I'll definitely check out Engadget. They're showing off. This was, I guess they had their keynote already. I don't know if it has the thing or not. I guess I don't know if you heard. Do you guys hear the sound of that? I'm still new with this stuff. And then I saw Ring had some new control. I want to get a Ring. I have. Well, it's just actually brought it in. The battery died. I got the Netgear Arlo. I really like it. I had to replace the battery, so. But it's funny because it goes off, and then I don't know if you see on my watch. It says, "Oh, there's motion at the front door," so it's kind of cool. Anyone walks up to your door, I get motion on my watch or whatever. Tells me people coming in. But Ring, I think is cool because it's right there on the doorbell. So I have some blind spots and everything. So you want to use it, the doorbell, whatever. This will take care of that. Ring has a whole bunch of different products. I don't really know much about Ring, but they have, they seem like they have some cool products. Does anyone have Ring devices at home? So CES starts this week. TVs, cars, voice controlled, everything. So that pretty much sums up CES. I will definitely check back on CES and report back on another segment. So here is their topic with CES. So Engadget's pretty cool. They're there a week before. They're there a week after. They have shows there. They have trailers there. They're unbelievable with their coverage. So they're like pit bulls. This is their passion. So there's all the different stuff. So it's already, the show didn't even start, and they do all the press releases and everything, and it's pretty crazy. So yeah. Bunch of different stuff. The car technology is cool too. It's pretty neat. So yeah, it's CES. I'm excited. So Dave said he's tried it. So place the doorbell, replace the. And Dave, you used the Ring technology. Yeah, Alice, I hear you. 32-inch TV goes out. This thing is just the prices, went from thousands of dollars to $2,000 to $1,200 to $700 last year. For the TVs now, $300 to $500 for, pretty big TVs. Pretty amazing. Pretty awesome. Yeah, I've been thinking about it, get it too. Lisa, you need to step up. I'm sorry, Dave did say he had the Ring doorbell, kept causing the door chime to beep. Hey, maybe it's not good. I don't know. I think there's certain wattage you need and everything. Okay, no sound on that video. Thanks, guys. So yeah, Apple TV, I'm going to cover. Apple doesn't do much at CES, so they're their own thing, their own press conferences. They have their own thing in in the spring and in the fall they have their major press conferences. But Apple TV, I got it a couple months ago. The new 4K one, it's pretty awesome. So I really like it. Okay, Dave, I didn't see you said it, so cool. I'm sure there's a lot of different Kodi stuff and that technology and everything. I got the new. I'm a big Amazon person, so I got the Amazon Stick. Been playing with that and everything. So yeah, so I'm excited. CES is, as you guys know, it's my passion. I love that stuff. So I want to do another check-in. I want to do another check-in on that. So cool. Just trying to check out what else is on here. Yeah. So it just started. Today is like the first day it really, the press started hitting stuff, and I think the press conference started yesterday and today because some of this stuff was coming out and everything. So cool. What gadget you guys looking for the future? What technology? What is the bubble comment? So this is a new software I got. I don't know if you saw yesterday. I was testing it out. This is called Ecamm Live. It's a Facebook Live. You go to Facebook Live and you can incorporate, talk to people, pop up their comments and everything. People say hi and everything. So, yeah, that's that. So, yeah, just checking in with you guys. Hope everything's good. I'm going to cut it a little short here. We're doing good today. So I just wanted to say I posted on my Facebook. I'm going to take questions for Walt Disney World for my next chat. So if there's any questions you guys have for Disney World or Disneyland, I'm pretty good at Disney World and Disneyland. Just ask some questions away. So I want to do a piece about answering people's questions at Disney World, reservations, fast passes, tips, all that kind of stuff. I just went in November, so I'm pretty good at doing helping travel and doing stuff with Disney World. It's a big passion of mine. So I'm going to be doing a segment on Disney World, Disneyland. If you have any questions, I could help you guys out with that. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, Dave, you asked me. I got a little sore on my lip. Sorry about that. I was going to mention that earlier, so thanks for reminding me. I don't know what the heck it is. So Dave asked me what happened to my lip. I don't know what's going on. It just happened this morning. It just started popping up. So I was going to put a little stuff on there, but I forgot to put it on there. So, but thanks for reminding me. So I put a little something on there. I don't know what the heck it is. So, but thanks for pointing out, Dave. All good. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And that's really it, guys. Just checking in Monday morning. And I hope you guys enjoyed my little show here. And I'm going to go a little more in depth on my findings on CES 2018 towards the end of the week. So if you guys find anything else, let me know. If you see anything on CES, post in the comments there, and I'll check it out, and I'll report back this week. So, thanks, Dave. Maybe it's from the cold. I think it's from the cold. Yeah, it's weird. I don't know what the hell's going on. So sorry about that. All right, guys. Cool, man. Thank you so much. Stay warm, stay cold, whatever. And I will see you guys. I'll check in towards the end of the week. Thank you guys so much.